Hello everyone, welcome to class 8th English, okay, from Ganita Prakash textbook, Unit 1, Wheat and Wisdom. Now, what do you mean by wheat and wisdom? First of all, let us know this. What do you mean by wheat and wisdom? Now, this wit and wisdom, it represents the combination of a quick-witted intelligence, humor, and deep sound judgment, often used to resolve complex conflict, foster creativity, and navigate life challenges. Okay, so the wit that won hearts. Let me read the first part of it. Let us do these activities before we read. So y'all can just go to this reading part now. Okay, we'll see, right? Okay. So select qualities of a person who uses weight from the box given below. Now I will say wise. Okay. They use their knowledge and experiences to handle situation. Next, I will say is clever because they think quickly and come up with smart response. Then is humorous because they use their wit to make people laugh or smile. Then come observant. Observant, they notice small details that other might miss. Then comes charming. Their clever words make them pleasant and likable. Next you have is the from this creative. They think outside the box to find unique solution. And confident, obviously confident means they are bold enough to speak their mind in tricky situation. Okay? So wheat is not just about being smart. It is the ability to use humor and intelligence together to solve problems or lighten a mood. Okay, next, now discuss the reason for your choice of qualities. Work in pairs and answer the riddles that are given below. Share the answers with your classmate and teacher. Okay, so here, first one is what? I hope you all can see this clearly. Work in pairs and answer the riddles that are given below. Share the answers with your classmate and teachers. I can be a friend or a foe. Depending on how you use me, I can bring both joy or pain. What am I? So, here, what is the answer? Words. Because whenever you all are using, you all should use the words carefully. Okay? Next is what is always in front of you but can't be seen? Obviously, the future, right? The future. Next is I can be I can be measured but I cannot be touched. I can be spent but I cannot be saved. What am I? So obviously it is the time which we are normally wasting. What has to be shared before you can keep it a secret? Okay? Moving towards the next page. So you'll have to discuss in pairs. Why are qualities like humor and wit important in a person? Why do you think kings and queens prefer to have witty people among their courtiers? If you were asked to solve disagreement between two people, what approach would you take? Have you ever seen in the situation where a small misunderstanding lead to a big problem? How was it resolved? So let us read. So this part this chapter reading I will be doing in the next class. So today I'll wind up here only because it's very lengthy and I have to keep on reading and all. Okay. So today, thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. I hope you'll have found out the introduction interesting and explanation. I hope you'll have understood this part. If you'll have any doubts still and anything, y'all can let me know, and y'all can share this with your classmates as well as your friends so that they also can learn something. Okay, and all the best for your upcoming exams as well. Thanks for watching.